So, my fellow Samsung users, have you decided to go out on a lovely clear day? You found a nice location to go fly your drone. You connect it all up, and all of a sudden you are presented with this warning. So moisture has been detected in the charging port. Now, my Samsung S20 must have been moister than an oyster, because it took forever and a day to clear the warning message. And very simply, the controller had to be powered on, charged and powered on first before you connect the USB-C cable. If you do it that way around, it seems to work. It'll start charging the phone, and it'll automatically launch the DJI app. Yes! If you try and do it the other way around, have it already connected and then turn the controller on, it seems to trigger this warning.
Oh, it! Oh,
And whilst the warning message is on the screen, I'm unable to use the port at all. I couldn't charge my phone. I couldn't I can connect it to the computer and transfer data to and from. I literally couldn't do anything with the port. I could still charge the phone wirelessly, but of course that takes forever.
I don't have time. Not enough time.
So in the end, I've tried resetting the phone. I tried clearing the cache for the USB settings within apps. I tried all these various different things, and every time I connected it to the DJI controller, it would throw up this warning. But yeah, to simply resolve the issue, make sure that the controller is powered on first, and then connect your USB-C cable.